So this video is about the kingdoms. This is still the group of classification that we talked about with Linnaeus. So it's the second layer of this hierarchy of classification, if you will. However, in the US, we use 6 different kingdoms, while in Great Britain and India, Australia, Latin America, and other countries, they use 5 kingdoms. So this is a different sort of classification, so it gets a little tricky here when you communicate with different countries and they have different classification methods. So these are the ones that we use in the US: plants, animals, fungi, protists, bacteria, and archaebacteria. So these are some examples. It has little cartoon pictures, but we'll go into some more detail in a little bit. So like I was saying earlier, Linnaeus was the one that developed this system of classification, and we're just breaking it down a little bit further. When he first started out, there's only 2 kingdoms, plants and animals, but when we developed the telescope, we were able to see more organisms and develop better technologies to see smaller things, so we needed to classify them differently because they weren't what we were used to seeing. So we came up with these kingdoms, and we classify them in different the criteria. So we use cell type, complex or simple. So if it's multicellular, single cellular, their ability to make food. So if they're heterotrophs or autotrophs, and the number of cells in their body. So um, these are things that we take into consideration when classifying them and putting them into the different kingdoms, and then further breaking them down from there. So we are able to name these and classify them, and this is just one stage in the process of classification. So we'll go into more detail with that in a little bit.